Hello and welcome to the step 2 of the CLIL course in business economics about our company Candyland. So today we're talking about funding. So taking all the steps that you need in order to ensure that the company has enough money to carry out its plans. First thing to do is to calculate what is called the capital requirement. Since any firm needs to invest in order to start a business, you need to buy whatever service or machinery that you need. Maybe you have to buy plants, or you need to rent a space. You need to start a marketing campaign. So all this expenditure will constitute an outlay of cash and will represent the capital requirement that your company will face in the very first days of operation. So how much money is needed in order to have this company working properly? Everything is often covered by company equity, so by the amount of money that the shareholders have put into the company. But if it's not enough, well, you will have to find some external source of funding. You will have to go to a bank or to a third-party financial institution in order to find some money that you will have to borrow. Nowadays, also for innovative startups, it's very easy to find private equity, venture capitalists, or even go through a crowdfunding process and find the money you need to do exactly what you want to. It's very important to remember that you need to be prudent. At the start of every new business, things are a little bit uncertain, so things can go wrong. A strong financial cushion is actually needed in order to be sure that your company can continue for a while and have enough time to make sure that it can accomplish its mission. Okay? So remember that no matter what happens, you have to pay your bills in time. So you cannot afford to miss payments, especially when you are a startup. So this concept is basically the concept of financial equilibrium. So the company has to guarantee that it is able to meet its obligations at any moment in time through available liquidity. It can be credit lines, it can be cash in the bank, it can be anything you want, but you need to be able to pay your suppliers. You need to be able to pay the electricity bill. You need to be able to ensure that your company is solvent. If it's not, you might face bankruptcy. So always be conservative when you are calculating your capital requirement and never risk a bankruptcy for lack of funding. Okay? We'll see soon for step 3 of our Candyland Business Economics CLIL course.